Man stabbed Lilia Valutyte 9 through the heart while she played with hula hoop, court hears. It is not disputed that diagnosed schizophrenic Dividas Skebas killed Lilia in a wicked act, but a jury must decide what his state of mind was when he stabbed her. A schizophrenic man stabbed a 9-year-old girl through the heart while she was playing in the street, a murder trial has heard. A jury heard that Dividas Skebas killed Lilia Valutyte as she played close to where her mother was working in Boston, Lincolnshire. On 28 July 2022, Skebas, 26, denied murdering Lilia but admitted manslaughter through diminished responsibility, the court heard. Jurors heard on the first day of the trial on Monday at Lincoln Crown Court that there was no dispute that Skebas stabbed Lilia, but they must decide what his state of mind was when he killed her. The prosecutor said that Lilia was attacked outside a central Boston shop where her mother worked when she was killed. Speaking to the jury of 7 men and 5 women, prosecutor Christopher Donnellan KC said, "It's a tragic case, we accept, but as has already been indicated by my lord, when you have got to set aside your emotions. This deliberate murder was clearly a wicked act. He knew his conduct was wrong. He knew he was killing a child." Mr. Donnellan told the jury that Skebas waited in the quiet street until other pedestrians had moved out of the way. He said Skebas's pace quickened before he took a knife out from his back pocket. He put the knife straight into the middle of Lilia, and the force of it appears to have knocked her back towards some shutters on the adjoining shop, he said. That stab wound went straight through her heart and she fell there in the street. He ran off. An off-to-duty police officer nearby initially chased Skebas, before attempting to save Lilia's life. Lilia was pronounced dead within an hour of the attack, Mr. Donnellan said. Read more from Sky News. Police appeal to heroic witness who helped 3 women in Camden. More than 500 report sexual abuse in Army medical examinations. Skebas bought a saboteur paring knife from a Wilco shop in the town 2 days before Lilia was killed, the jury heard. He was arrested and then transferred to hospital as his mental state had declined. The defendant said there was a form of control over him and his actions, referring to NASA and a microchip. Following his arrest, the court heard. In 2023, Skebas was given an indefinite hospital order and was unanimously found to have physically committed the act of killing Lilia, despite a court deciding he was unfit to plead or face a conventional trial due to his mental health. Skebas has received treatment for his mental health in Britain and Lithuania. He is saying he's not guilty of murder, but guilty of manslaughter by reason of diminished responsibility, Mr. Donnellan said. Experts agree that Mr. Skebas is diagnosed with schizophrenia. The trial continues.